You've been lied to about your car. Not by strangers, by the mechanics you trust. 7 myths are costing you thousands. They know. They stay quiet. Here's why.
If you just clicked because you suspect something's wrong with car advice, you're right. Mechanics make money when you follow bad information, not because they're dishonest, because the myths benefit the repair shop. You probably trust your mechanic's silence means everything's fine. It doesn't. If you want to protect your wallet without becoming a mechanic, you're in the right place. Let's start with the most expensive myth first.
Myth number 1, change your oil every 3,000 miles. This one costs the average driver $400 every single year in unnecessary oil changes. Here's why. Older engines and conventional oil needed changes every 3,000 miles. Modern engines with synthetic oil last 7,500 to 15,000 miles between changes. Your owner's manual tells you the exact number. You probably ignored that manual because everyone says 3,000 miles. Most people never read it. Only 37% do. Mechanics don't correct you because more frequent changes mean more business. Synthetic oil is expensive. Changing it at 3,000 miles when it's good for 10,000 wastes money and time. Check your manual. Follow that number, not the old rule.
Myth number 2, changing transmission fluid ruins the transmission. Here's what most people don't realize. This myth only became popular because people change fluid at the wrong time. When a transmission already slips, new fluid won't fix it. You'd think regular fluid changes would obviously help, but people skip them for years. Then when problems start, they finally change the fluid. It doesn't help, so they blame the fluid change instead of the years of neglect. The truth is the opposite. Regular changes every 30,000 to 40,000 miles keep transmissions healthy. They should last 100,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. However, if you bought a high mileage car and never changed the fluid, don't start now. Old dirty fluid might provide better friction than new clean fluid at that point. The key lesson: regular maintenance prevents expensive failures. Waiting until problems appear is already too late. Myth number 3, inflate tires to the pressure molded on the sidewall. 81% of drivers get tire pressure wrong because of this myth. The number on your tire sidewall is not the recommended pressure. It's the maximum safe pressure the tire can handle. You probably thought that number was what you were supposed to use. It's not. The correct pressure is in your owner's manual or the sticker inside your driver's door. Most people never look there. Overinflated tires wear unevenly. They reduce traction. They handle poorly. You'll replace tires more often. That costs hundreds of dollars. Underinflated tires are worse. They increase blowout risk by 11%. They also reduce fuel economy. Here's what actually matters. Check your door sticker. Use that number, not the tire sidewall. Check pressure monthly. Keep a small electric pump in your trunk. This one simple fix saves money and prevents accidents.
Myth number 4, you don't need to warm up your car in winter. This one destroys turbocharged engines. Yes, modern cars start faster than old carbureted engines, but that doesn't mean the engine is ready for hard driving. You probably think that if the car starts, it's fine to drive normally. It's not. Oil and fluids need time to circulate properly. Push the engine hard in the first 5 minutes and you risk damaging the turbocharger. That repair costs over $2,000. Give your engine 30 seconds to 1 minute before driving. Then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. No hard acceleration, no high RPMs. This protects the turbo and the engine. Myth number 5. A bigger battery improves performance. Some people even use the wrong voltage battery trying to boost power. This can cause the battery to explode. Using a 24-volt battery in a 12-volt system overloads the wiring. It can destroy the electrical system. Here's the truth. Battery size doesn't improve fuel economy or performance. Only use the battery recommended in your manual. If you want longer battery life, look for higher amp hour rating or cold cranking amps, but it must fit your battery tray and match your voltage. Don't risk expensive damage chasing myths.
Myth number 6, premium gas improves fuel economy. Over 16 million drivers waste 20 to 40 cents per gallon buying premium when their car doesn't need it. Premium gas has higher octane. Only turbocharged and high-performance engines need that. For regular engines, premium can actually decrease fuel economy.
It won't clean your engine, it won't boost performance, it just costs more money. Use the fuel grade recommended in your owner's manual. Myth number 7. You don't need antifreeze in hot climates. This is the most expensive myth on the list. The name confuses people. Antifreeze doesn't just prevent freezing, it also prevents overheating. When you mix antifreeze with water, it becomes coolant. Water boils at 212 degrees. A 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water boils at 265 degrees. Without proper coolant, your engine overheats. This causes blown head gaskets, cracked engine blocks, damaged radiators. Fixing these problems costs $2,000 to $8,000. Always use the correct coolant mix for your climate. Your manual tells you if you need 70-30 or 50-50. So that's how you avoid the 7 most expensive car myths. Check your owner's manual, follow those recommendations, not the old myths mechanics profit from. If you want to protect your wallet without becoming a mechanic, you're in the right place. Subscribe to get more videos like this.